Let us see comparing and ordering fractions. See the first example. Write 6 by 10, 5 by 10, 2 by 10 and 7 by 10 in ascending and descending order. See the question. All the fractions has same denominator. All are like fractions. So, we can write the ascending order and descending order easily. Our given question is 6 by 10, 5 by 10, 2 by 10 and 7 by 10. First we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means what? We have to arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest. So, first we have to check the denominator. If we have same denominator means we can write the ascending order easily. Then we have to check the numerator only. In question, all are like fraction. It has same denominator 10. So, we have to check the numerator 6, 5, 2, 7. Which is the smallest number? Yes, 2 is the smallest numerator. So, 2 by 10, first we have to write. Then, remaining what we have? 6 by 10, 5 by 10, 7 by 10. Now, which is the smallest numerator? Yes, 5 is the smallest numerator. So, 5 by 10, next we want to write. Remaining what we have? 6 by 10 and 7 by 10. So, which is the smallest fraction? 6 by 10 or 7 by 10? Yes, 6 by 10 is the smallest fraction. Remaining we have 7 by 10 only. So, 7 by 10 finally we want to write. 2 by 10 less than 5 by 10 less than 6 by 10 less than 7 by 10. For ascending order, we have to use less than symbol only. While writing less than symbol for ascending order, you have to remember carefully. Next, we have to write the numbers in descending order. See here, from ascending order, we can write the descending order easily. Now, which is the greatest number? First, we have to write 7 by 10. So, 7 by 10 greater than 6 by 10 greater than 5 by 10 greater than 2 by 10. See the symbol. For ascending order, we have to use less than symbol. For descending order, we have to use the greater than symbol. If you change the symbol means, then answer also will be wrong. So, we have to put the symbol properly. Ascending order less than symbol. See the next example. Write the fractions 7 by 8, 5 by 6, 3 by 4 and 2 by 3 in ascending order. See these fractions. Each fraction has different denominator. So, for unlike fraction, we have to find out the LCM. For writing ascending order, we have to find out the LCM first. See here, we have to consider denominator only for LCM. The LCM of 8, 6, 4, 3 is 24. You have to calculate LCM for these 4 denominators. We get the LCM as 24. Now we have to change all the denominator as 24. Now we get the LCM 24. So we have to convert all the denominator as 24. See the first fraction 7 by 8. Now we have to multiply 7 by 8 by 3 because we have to get the denominator as 24. So 7 3s are 21 and then if we multiply 8 by 3 means 8 3s are 24. You have to think for converting denominator as 24. If we multiply denominator 8 by 2 means we can't get the answer 24. 8 2s are 16 only will come. So you have to check the denominator and consider the number for multiplication properly. 8 3s are 24. 7 3s are 21 and we get 8 3s are 24. So 21 by 24 we get. See the next fraction 5 by 6. For this also we have to change the denominator as 24. So we want to multiply numerator and denominator by 4. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. Next 3 by 4. For this also we have to change the denominator as 24. So numerator and denominator we have to multiply by same number 6. 3 6 are 18. By 4 6 are what will come? Yes, 24. So we get 18 by 24. Next we have 2 by 3. For this also change the denominator as 24. So we want to multiply numerator and denominator by which number? Yes, by 8 we want to multiply. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. Now see these 4 fractions. All the fraction has denominator 24. Now we can write the ascending order. See the fraction. We want to write in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. So which is the smallest number? We have to check the numerator only. 21, 20, 18 and 16. In this, which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest numerator here? Yes, 16 is the smallest numerator. So 16 by 24 is the first smallest fraction. 16 by 24 less than. Next, remaining what we have? 21, 20, 18 in numerator. So which is the smallest numerator now? Yes, 18 is the smallest numerator. So 18 by 24 next we have to write. 18 by 24 less than. Remaining what we have in numerator? 21 and 20. So which is the smallest one? Yes, 20 by 24 is the smallest numerator. So 20 by 24 less than. Next remaining we have 21 by 24. So 16 by 24 less than, 18 by 24 less than, 20 by 24 less than, 21 by 24 we get. Now we have to write the actual fraction. For 16 by 24, what we have in question? For 16 by 24, we have to write actual fraction 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the actual fraction for 16 by 24. 2 by 3 less than. Then for 18 by 24, actual fraction is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 next we want to write. For 20 by 24, actual question is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 we want to write. Next what we have for 21 by 24? Yes, 7 by 8 is the actual question. So 7 by 8 we want to write. So answer is 2 by 3 less than, 3 by 4 less than, 5 by 6 less than, 7 by 8. So it is the final. Let us see division of fraction. See the first example. Divide 3 divided by 15 by 4. Here 3 is a whole number and 15 by 4 is a fraction. We have to divide this. See here, before dividing this, we have to find out the reciprocal of 15 by 4. Division symbol after we have 15 by 4. For this fraction, we have to find the reciprocal. Reciprocal of fraction is nothing but we have to change the places of numerator and denominator. In numerator, we have 15. So write this in denominator. And 4 we have in denominator. So, put this in numerator. The reciprocal of 15 by 4 is 4 by 15. Now we get the reciprocal of 15 by 4. See the question. 3 divided by 15 by 4. Whole number 3 we can write as 3 by 1. Each and every number has denominator as 1. So we can write 3 as 3 by 1. And then we have to change the division symbol while writing reciprocal. Division symbol we have to change as multiplication symbol. Then we have to write the reciprocal of 15 by 4. That is 4 by 15. Now we have to cancel this. 1 3 is 3. Then 5 3s are 15. Now we have 1 into 4 in numerator. So 1 into 4 we have to write in numerator. In denominator we have 1, 5. So 1 into 5 we have to write in denominator. Now we want to multiply this. 1 4 is 4. 1 5 is 5. So our answer is 4 by 5. We get the final answer. See the second sum in division. Divide 2 by 9 divided by 6. We have to divide 2 by 9 by 6. First we have to find the reciprocal of 6. Here 6 is a whole number. We can write 6 in fraction as 6 by 1. The reciprocal means what we have to do? We have to change the place of numerator and denominator. So reciprocal of 6 by 1 what will come? Yes, 1 will come in numerator and 6 will come in denominator. So 1 by 6 we get. Now we have to divide this. 2 by 9 divided by 6. What will come? 2 by 9 into. While writing reciprocal, we have to change the division symbol as multiplication symbol. In this place, we have to remember carefully. Division symbol, we have to change as multiplication symbol. For 6 by 1, how we have to write? 1 by 6. That is reciprocal of 6. Now we have 2 by 9 into 1 by 6. Now we can multiply. Here first we can cancel by 2 table. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Now we have to multiply this. We have 1 into 1. So in numerator we have to write 1 into 1. Then denominator we have 9 and 3. So 9 into 3 we have to write. Multiply this. 1 1 is 1. 9 3s are 27. So answer is 1 by 27. Answer is 1 by 27. See the next sum. Divide 4 by 7 divided by 6 by 28. For division, first we have to find the reciprocal of 6 by 28. So, reciprocal of 6 by 28 what will come? 28 will come in numerator and 6 will come in denominator. So, 28 by 6 we have to change and write. We have to change and write the place of numerator and denominator. See the question. 4 by 7 divided by 6 by 28. First we have to write first number 4 by 7 and we have to change division symbol as multiplication symbol. And 6 by 28 we have to write the reciprocal order. So what will come? 28 by 6. Now we have to cancel this. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Next 1 7 is 7. 4 7s are 28. Next we have 2 and 4 in numerator. So 2 into 4 we have to write in numerator. And denominator we have 1 and 3. So 1 into 3 we have to write in denominator. See this. 2 4s are what will come? 8. Very good. 1 3 is 3. So it is an improper fraction. 8 by 3 is an improper fraction. So we have to change into mixed fraction. For that we have to divide 8 by 3. 2 3s are 6. Very good. Yes. Next we have to subtract this. 8 minus 6 what will come? 2. So quotient is 2. Remainder also 2. So while writing mixed fraction, first we have to write the quotient as whole number. So 2 is a whole number. Remainder is a numerator. So 2 in numerator. 3 divisor as it is we have to write. So answer is 2. 2 by 3. So final answer is 2. 2 by 3. Can you understand, students? Okay.